Hello there, this is Sandy with Sandy's Creative Connection. Thanks for stopping by. Today I am doing a video on our Stamparatus. It is Stampin' Up's brand new stamp positioning tool. It will be available June 1st in our new catalog coming out. So I wanted to give you a little heads up, tips and tricks on how to use it. As you can see here, this is how it comes with 2 acrylic plates, a base, a black mat, and magnets. The acrylic plates insert into hinges on the side and bottom. The black mat is used for photopolymers. Here I'm demonstrating inserting and removing. You always want to insert straight up and down to remove the plates. Now the next tip I'll tell you is never store the plates in the hinges on top of one another because it will break the hinges. Always pull them apart, at least one. I leave one in the hinge and then I pull the other one out, and then I'll put the black mat in between them with the one acrylic plate not installed. So let's talk about the acrylic plates. Other than the hinges, you also have a grid on them. Very useful for lining up word stamps or any stamps. And the base also has a grid. It's magnetic, and the surface will not wear out. Okay, so let's talk about the magnets. On the back they come with 2. They are a bar magnet, and I immediately put painter's tape on my magnets because number 1, it's easier to grab them and lift them and move them around. Number 2, it helps protect them a little bit. You do not want to lay these magnets down on the table because they will attract to one another and they will break, just like that. So the painter's tape helps protect them, and I just always use one at a time. I store the other one under the back side in its neat little compartment. Let me show you just how strong these magnets are. I'm going to grab one off the back, and I can pick up the whole base with that magnet. The other thing I want to point out is how to apply the tape. Apply it so that the edges are laying down when you lay the bar down on the base. You don't want them on top of it so that it sticks up and obscures or blocks the acrylic plate when you go to stamp. That will be a problem. So I'm going to store it back there. Here I want to show you the non-skid little legs. So that pretty well wraps up your introduction to the Stamparatus. It is a tool that you need to have in your craft room. It's a definite must. You will use it over and over. It will not be available till June 1st, and I would love to help you get your hands on one. So go to my online store on June 1st to place your order or send me an email. Finally, be sure to check back in a couple of days for another video on the Stamparatus. Thanks for stopping by.